Juicy watermelon. I'm dying to try it. So make sure you subscribe and stick around and find out what juicy watermelon coffee tastes like. Hello friends, you know what time it is. It is cafecito time, and today's cafecito, it's been kind of warming up. Summer's coming, I can feel it. So we're going to try the new, very, very, maybe controversial, interesting, intriguing, juicy watermelon flavor over ice by Nespresso. Yes, they made a coffee flavored and tastes like watermelon. Like, why? Who thought of this a brilliant idea? Let's find out what it's all about. So juicy watermelon is the new barista creations for summer. As you may or may not know, Nespresso comes out with a over ice iced coffee flavor every year. I've tried the coconut, I've tried the lemon. Did they have one the first year? I'm trying to think if they had one the first year I bought the Nespresso machine. I think that's when they came out with just the iced coffee ones. I don't think they had flavor ones. But anyways, let's get into it. Make sure you subscribe, because you know here, House of Cid, we like to make videos about coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. So if you're a coffee lover like me, you need your cafecito every day. Make sure you subscribe. Give our videos a thumbs up. Give our videos a thumbs up. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video. I'm trying to get back onto a schedule. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, juicy watermelon over ice. It is a 2.7 fluid ounces. Oh, this is an espresso, like a shot. I thought it was like a full coffee. Well, we learn something new every day. Okay, juicy watermelon over ice, 8 milliliters, 2.7 fluid ounces, $13 for the box. A pretty box. I do like the box. Let's see what it says. Why we love it, juicy watermelon flavor over ice will have you... Juicy watermelon over ice will have you summer dreaming. Soak up the sun and kick back as watermelon flavor splashes through our light roasted coffee blend made specifically for ice. Here is the drink your summer needs. The refreshing taste of juicy sweet watermelon meets our Arabicas like the sunset meets the ocean. Oh, I feel like I'm on a tropical beach already. Best served as a coffee capsule over a cup of ice cubes, topped up with cold water. So I guess it's kind of like an Americano. I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, box. Like I said, pretty, kind of like water. Looks like water there. Let's turn on the machine because I always forget. Ooh, I do like the capsule. It is kind of pretty. I don't know if you guys could see the kind of like the little swirl. Looks like water on there. See watermelon. Yeah, so let's see. Let's brew this baby. I'm gonna put some ice baby in my little cup here. I'm still getting used to this machine because the plus, you just tap it and it closes. This one you have to do it manually, which is okay. Not a big deal, but let's brew it. And while that's brewing, I'm gonna get some cold water. They do have a recipe on here called Juicy Watermelon Fizz, which I do not have the ingredient. I should have prepared and bought the ingredients so I can make that for you, but you know how it goes. Okay, so maybe I will try it. If I like this juicy watermelon over ice, then I'll try the recipe. Oh, chunks of fresh watermelon, simple syrup, sparkling water, fresh mint. Because surprisingly, I actually did kind of like the Lamina one last year, the lime lemon one. I liked it. The coconut, not so much, just because I don't really like coconut anyways. But I liked it. I liked the Lamina. I still have a couple. Okay, guys, here it is. 2.7 ounces. Oh my God. Okay, so if you haven't seen my video where I reviewed the golden caramel coffee, I was complaining that it didn't even smell like caramel. It didn't taste like caramel. It didn't smell like caramel. This one smells, I swear, like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, which I love. You guys, it totally smells like a Jolly Rancher. Watermelon Jolly Rancher. You unwrap it, put it in your mouth. That's what it smells like. Okay, let's taste it. Well, I'm glad that it smells like watermelon. Okay, let me give it another taste. Okay, I'm kind of getting like a little watermelon kind of like aftertaste. Not when you initially try it, but like the after. Oh, actually, I think I like it. Okay, let's pour some water in here like they say to do. Let me get a straw. I was looking for my glass straws. I don't know what happened to them, but anyways, here we go. Okay, call me a weirdo, but last year, and I'll link the video to the Lamina, I made it with like sparkling lemon lime sparkling water, and it was actually pretty good and very refreshing. I think this one might taste good too with sparkling water. So I'm gonna make that recipe. Come back, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, turn on your notifications so you know when I'm making that video. But yeah, I kind of like it, you guys. Definitely very different. Definitely not your typical iced coffee. But yeah, I think I like it. It's really light, so it's not a very strong, bold coffee. The smell got to me. As soon as I smelled it, I was like, childhood memories of eating watermelon Jolly Ranchers. I like it. It is pretty refreshing, I must say. I'm not even gonna add any like milk or creamer. But I think it will taste good with some kind of sparkling water, sparkling beverage. You guys, hold on. I might have something. I don't have sparkling water. I do not have sparkling water, but I have some lemon lime soda, 7-Up. Shall we? Let's try it. Why not? Because that's what we're here for, right? To try new things and make new recipes. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit of the Seven-Up. Okay. Maybe not.
Epic fail.
Do not try this at home. Okay, I am going to stick with it just the coffee over ice with some cold water, and I will make another video with the ingredients to make the, what is it called? The juicy watermelon fizz drink, like on the Nespresso website. But yeah, you guys, I like it. Minus the 7-Up. Yeah, don't ruin don't ruin your iced coffee with 7-Up. You guys, make sure you subscribe. Like I said, I have a lot more videos. I'm gonna try a lot of the other new capsules. So subscribe, turn on notifications, give us a thumb up. Follow me on Instagram so you could see other fun things I'm doing, coffee related. So yeah, that's it. Let me know if you've tried it. Let me know if you liked it. For me, it's a win. I kind of really liked it, minus the 7-Up. But otherwise, I love that it smells very watermelony. It's very refreshing. I think they did a good job. As weird as it sounds, I think they did a good job. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you today. Make sure, like I said, you subscribe and enjoy your cafecito. Until next time. Bye.